everyone, this is Raji. Today let us learn about data flow in Azure Data Factory. A data flow in Azure Data Factory is a visual and code-free transformation layer which uses Azure Databricks clusters behind the covers. The data flows are essentially an abstraction layer on top of Azure Databricks. You can execute a data flow as an activity in a regular pipeline. When the data flow starts running, it will either use the default cluster of the auto-resolve integration runtime or one of your own choosing. So, let us see with an example. First, this is my container storage account. This is my storage account. If you open the container folder, here I have folder name data. In data, I have a folder name input. In input, I have two sheets, data 1 and data 2, CSV files. These both are. Let us view the data present here. So, here we have product ID, product name and product cost. And in data 2, we have product ID, selling price and profit percent. Let us combine these two tables using data flow activity. And let us put the output in output folder. Go to home, open data factory. Now let us create two data sets for the input folders, such Azure Blob Storage. This CSV files. Continue. Name data 1. Link to service. Let us create a new link service. Account key, let it be. Subscription, 3 times. Storage account name. Storage account. We create link service is being created. Let us wait for a few seconds. So it is created. So let us select the file path in data input folder. Click OK. OK. Let us, the schema should be null. Let us create another data set for data storage, search for blob storage. Continue. Data to service we have created. Let us select the data in input folder. Data to. For this we have to select first row as header. It is, let us we have to select this one. Select first row as header here. Let us check this one once. Go to storage account. Click on containers. Data. Input. Let us view this. It is fine. Let us import the schema. So we have. So in first data one, product ID, product name, product cost are the column names. Product ID, selling price and profit price are second column name. So we have created the data set. Now come to data flow. Create new data flow. Add source. Name it as data one. Select data set. Data one. And for source, name it as data two. Source. Select data set as data two. Let us join these two by clicking plus symbol. Left stream already data one is selected. Select data two as in right stream. Now a connection is formed. Join is inner join by default. Here we can give the join conditions if you want. Let us give this output to sync. Let us create another new data set for output. Blob storage, continue. Continue. Output. Net of final data. Link service is this. Use first row as header. Click OK. Click OK. Now go to data flow. In sync, give the data set, final data. So we have created the data flow. To run this data flow, go to pipeline, create new pipeline, search for data flow. Let us click on validate. Let us expand this. Now validate this one. So we are running the data flow now. This is how we create the data flow. Using this data flow and all in pipeline, searching for data flow. Let us go to pipeline. Let us trigger this one now. Let us publish this one. It is being published. Let publishing is complete. The pipeline is being running. Let us wait. It is being running. Let us wait for few seconds. So this data flow has 3 tabs. You can see general settings. In general, you can give the naming parameters. In settings, you can select all these options are available. In parameters, you can give the parameter types and all this. Let us see if this is completed. Still running. This is the data flow we created. So this is how the data factory works in data flow in Azure Data Factory. So it is taking more time. So this is all about the Azure Data Factory. Thank you.